What's up, guys? This is the Greedy O channel, and if you guys didn't know, we picked up a nice little S13 here. And if you come from our last video, we are doing fuel rail stuff, and you guys should know that by now if you came from the last video. But yeah, that's my dad over there. This is me, and we got some fuel rail stuff here. We're gonna be taking out the fuel rail, cleaning it, and by the end of the video, let's hope we get a little, crank up of the car. Maybe it can idle or do some stuff like that. Alright, I'll be setting you down right there on the E90, and you'll get a time lapse of us taking out the fuel rail, and I'll come back to you when the fuel rail is all out. Okay, screw found. Well, good. Alright, Obi, what we do here?
Alright, so we just basically took off the fuel rail off the engine. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean each one of these just to make sure everything's working right before we put in the new gas and start up the car again. So
got any extra
it's
words to
gonna be
say?
a little process, but it's gonna be worth it at the end.
Yeah, it will. Cause maybe, just maybe, we'll get a crank up for you guys on the second episode. Let's hope we can. If not, future episodes we're gonna have to mess with the mouth sensors and ignition coils. Any extra words you gotta say?
No, let's clean these guys.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got a nice little 6 injectors that we need. They are literally nasty, like they are horrible. And so is the fuel rail. The fuel rail is horrible.
You guys look inside.
I don't know if it's gonna focus. It's gonna focus. There you go. Yeah, it's pretty nasty in there.
Yeah, you can see the rust.
I mean, HKS blow up.
If this wasn't the problem,
It's a pretty big chance that this could be the problem, because the injectors, where the filters are. Let me see if I find one that is clogged. Where was it? Well, look at this one. If it's gonna focus, let me see. There you go. You see it? It's clogged with a little bit of gunk, like a gunk rust mixture type of thing. And yeah, we're gonna clean these. What, you got anything? Gotta see the camera. Thurbski. Alright, guys, we're back. We got everything here. All the injectors are out. We're gonna be cleaning them. How do I say this? State of like a notice. We're not professional mechanics. We're just cleaning them a way that we found that we can do them cheaply and see if it works. And you're gonna show them that injector and how.
yeah, I just want to show you that before we start putting the greaser brake cleaner on this. Get this gunk out of here, so we're showing you guys. Like I got this toothpick. See if I can get the camera to zoom on there. See if you can see that.
It's bad. Bad. It's like rust. I don't even know. A longer process, so we're probably just gonna show you this one and then time lapse the rest of it.
Yeah. What you change the end of this tape?
Yeah, just do it. Don't make it too thick. Make it like the same.
So I don't know the time that you were trying to, I wonder if it was closed or. sides. Yeah, that crap is good. Alright. Why don't we just take all this off?
Yes.
I really don't know why it's not working. Let's try again. Maybe we do it.
I'm trying to look over the thing. Squish it. We're trying this again. It's, I don't know.
I think that's pretty good
Kind of
there.
a-
I think we should try
kind
to
of a
do it
struggle
like that
there.
and open it.
I have a struggle trying to do this.
Hopefully we'll try to do it here. No, because if this pressure's gonna pop back up. Yeah, I'm sure wear those glasses you wear. Yeah, this is not a good time to be doing this, but fortunately, this time we got arm ourselves. Yeah, it seems like I think we got
Pretty.
something.
They seem to be pretty clean. They seem pretty clean. Where's the flashlight? Where's the flashlight? Seems like it's so short. Oh yeah, that's just. Let me see if it's gonna focus. It's like shiny. It's rust mixed with brake cleaner
That's a brake cleaner and gas. It'll make a little
reaction. I don't know if you guys can see this. No, you can't. But it's a clean injector. It's a lot more cleaner than it is.
What if we should just throw some in there, like without the straw, and then get
You should have done the straw. That is the first one.
Alright.
It works. It definitely does work. Tomorrow we will see if everything plugs in and stuff like that. And we'll catch you guys in the morning. The speed laps will start in. Actually, speed laps will start, but like for you guys it's gonna be like 15 seconds, and for us it's gonna be a whole couple hours.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me.
Alright, welcome. It is, I think, 1:34. It's not morning time. We woke up quite late, but my dad is going out to return the O-rings. We got some, and none of them fit actually. So we're at this position right now because where is it? This one is broken. Yeah, it's missing an O-ring there. So for now we're gonna see how it goes by just using the broken one. And yes, well, I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but you'll get a time lapse of me putting it on. So yeah. Okay, then was that necessary, kid? That was not necessary, but okay. You'll get a time lapse of me putting it in.
Send me, darling, you
5 in. I'm waiting for my dad to come back, see if he can get an O-ring for this one, because you guys can see that it is missing one. And we'll put this in, and then after that, we got a time lapse of us. And we're back, you know.
Got it.
Yep. Yeah, okay, so everything's in. Got anything? Struggle?
Yeah, well, we took a struggle. We bought a whole kit of O-rings and none of them fit. So we bought this other one that had fewer, and then we found one that fit. So everything's in there pretty good now, I think. We're gonna put it in, put some brand new premium gas in there. And I think hopefully this solves the problem. We can start at least running and testing the car.
Yeah, let's hope it does, and if not, you know, we have more videos for you guys. And if it does, we have more videos for you guys, because, you know, you guys can see the car run and everything like that. And, you know, I'll give you guys a time lapse.
I know you do. Send me. I know.
Alright, so here we go. We're gonna try, we put in some gas. Jesse now is gonna try to start the car, see what happens. Ready? Okay. First start. Let's try it one more time. Let some gas go in there. Leave the ignition open for just a little bit. Okay, it's turning off. Okay. I don't see no smoke coming out, that's a good thing. Alright. Leave the ignition on for just a little, let some gas go in there. Hold on, let me see something. Put the ignition on. Okay, we got no gas going in, man. No, we got no gas coming to the... It's at 0 right now. Okay, we got some. Huh? Yeah. But it goes back down, man. Yep. Okay, turn it, right. Put the ignition, turn it off and on again. I want to see something. Huh? Yeah. Put the ignition on and off. I want to see something. Alright, try starting it now. Yeah, it goes back down. Yeah. Great. I think that fuel pump is gone, bro. Alright guys, so you guys saw we have no pressure. So when he turns on the ignition, we get a little bit of fuel pressure, and then it starts going down. So I think we have a pump. I think we gotta change the pump. Yeah. All right, Jesse.
Yeah, as he said, probably the fuel pump is gone. I mean, in the comments, you guys let me know if you guys want to see the interior be done, or we got the new fuel pump for the car. It is smoky back here, but it's not black. It's just like it's just a smell. It just smells bad. But yeah, just tell me what you guys want in the comments if you guys want to see the carpet be done or the fuel pump. I hope you guys say fuel pump so we can get the car running. And yeah, guys. Huh?
I think we should just go get a fuel pump. Yeah.
Fuel pump, yeah.
That'll be our next
Video.
Yeah.
Alright.
The fun thing is that we gotta take this gas tank back down.
Yeah, we gotta take it back down. So you guys see that all again. If you guys got to this part of the video, thank you guys for watching. Like, really thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot, guys. We really appreciate it. Hopefully, you can see us build this thing, and you all could grow up with us, and see this thing from what it is now to what it could be. And that's gonna be the fun of it.